It's been a year to remember. We shall all never forget you.
This is it, boys.
Parkinson High's class of 2018.
6, 5,
Been an
4,
honour.
3, 2, 1. It's over! We are free at last! Parkinson High, suck it! Shit, man, let's get out of here! Get the fuck out of here!
You're now dismissed.
Fucking out of there, man.
Hey, real well now, hey. You're my best friends for life, eh, Bill? Hey, where's Fergus?
Wait, wait! I can't believe school's over. I don't think we saw these people ever again. Oh, look, there's Ben signing Sam's tits. Oh, look at him. Ooh.
Hey, should be cool, Sam.
Will do. See you later, Billy.
Guys, Josh, it's Mum. Hi, Mum, where are you? How long until you're here? Okay, thanks, Mum. I'm coming now. Hey, Dano. Mum's driving now. You and Fergus go get the car. Billy and I will go meet Mum and get the bags. Right, have fun, yeah?
Care for the bag, yeah? There's a bottle of Jack in there.
See you guys later.
Hey, Flair.
Oh, man.
Same
Oh, yeah. Got a number as well. We're going to meet down there.
Oh,
I'm
yeah,
going to
man.
get so much pussy.
Yeah, man, that's the spirit.
Yeah.
Hey, man, we're gonna go down and get with Mum
Yeah.
and get the bags.
Right.
Yeah?
Okay, let's go. Come on.
Hey, Mum, how you going? I'll pop the food, yeah? Grab Danny's bag. Yeah.
Oh, yeah, mate, that's your bag.
Oh, yeah. You ready, bro? Right, chuck it.
Oh, snooze, you lose.
Go on, get back in, boys.
Come on, lads. Let's go. Goalie.
109.5 CFM. 2018 students just graduated Year 12. Congratulations. Time to start the celebrations.
Fuck yeah,
48,000 are Gold Coast bound, ready to celebrate their freedom. It's about to get crazy. Schoolies week going off.
Yes, let's do this.
Schoolies.
Jeez, damn, man. I've been waiting so long.
Wait, we got everything?
Of course we do.
Well, we got the weed.
Yeah, man, yeah, we're all set.
Yeah, mate. It's right here. Oh, piss off. That's all we have.
Oh, fuck that. We're gonna meet up with Cody and get out.
Righto. Well, how about we roll one now and have it on the way down then, Billy? Yeah.
I mean, that's up to Fergus, he's driving.
Yeah, it's fine.
Just make sure the windows roll down.
Righto, we'll chuck the tools, lads. I'll do the honours. And you ready for it up to the lips?
Yep.
So much on your leg.
What about 10 minutes on the shot? Yeah, sorry.
Oh, shit, this will put hairs on your chest.
Ah, you're weak, mate. Pass it along. Whoa, shit. You're not wrong. This is some harsh shit. Try this, Billy.
need some soda for the bourbon.
Alright, last server before the M1. How much is left?
That's it. All gone, dude.
Hey, I'll get a Ferg. I gotta grab some mixes anyway.
Yeah, sweet.
Yeah. Cheers.
So Ben, why the fuck did you bring ecstasy?
Dano's my best mate, okay? He's been through a lot this year. With his mum passing away and Katie breaking up with him. I wanted to get something that would get him into, you know, party mode.
Yeah, but fuck man, you gotta tell me this.
I mean, do you have them now? Can I see them?
Oh, fucking hell, man. I've heard about these before. Man, I've heard about these before. That's why they're called white rabbits.
What are those?
Ben, you better tell them or I'll fucking have to.
I just wanted him to do stuff. I mean, what's the big deal?
What? Are they like Viagra pills or something? This is fucking ecstasy? What the fuck, Ben?
Mate, I didn't even know.
You know how much shit that we could get in with this, Ben? We can be such a fucking idiot sometimes.
Hey, it's all good, alright? Nothing's gonna happen.
You better hope not.
Don't tell Dan.
Righto lads, we'll drink some eh? Hey, drinks from me boys.
Rightio.
Come on, think
I only got the one.
Mate, trust me, this is strong enough, eh?
It better be.
Oh,
Lasts us a week.
there you go, he likes it.
Oh.
strong shit there,
Well,
mate.
just say we only have one.
That's why we have the mixes, alright?
Yeah.
Calm down.
Oh, well, one mixer.
I mean, look, my mate made this for me specially, right?
Really?
Yeah,
So you
he's
didn't even
on
buy it?
No, he made it himself.
Oh, yeah, off the black market, yeah?
Wow, we saved some
No,
money.
it was a gift for me 17th. I've been saving it for this.
17.
Yeah, look, I'm not
I
ready.
don't think that's coke on.
Alright. Let's do this.
Come on, Fergie, give him a run.
Get the lead, get the lead.
Come on. Wait, pull up next to him, Go. Hey, bus driver, check this out. Hey.
Dano, sit, mate, sit. There's cops behind.
Know what we pulled you over?
No. Was I speeding?
Yeah, we clocked you going 15 over when you went through those lights.
We're just excited for schoolies. We won't do it again.
I know, I can understand why you're excited, but you know, rules are rules. What's your name, butthead? Yeah, you.
Yeah, I'm real sorry about that, sir. Just changed my pants. Yeah, real excited for the surf.
Yep, real sorry. Yep. Basically, you're getting. Just waiting in the back a second.
Evening, fellas. I'm Officer Chris. I just heard from my partner that there's suspicion of alcohol, so I'm going to have to ask you to do a breath test. Now, when you breathe into this, you got to stop it until the beep. Hang on. What's that you got over there?
That's from last night. I haven't drunk any.
Okay, I'm going to have to ask you to step out of your vehicle, and I'm going to have to do a car search. Alright, well I'm going to need you to take a breathalyzer. Now, I want you to keep blowing until you hear the beeping noise, alright? Yeah. All around. Blow, 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 blow. It's your lucky day. Now I've got all your boys' names. Now where are you going to?
The Chevron.
Chev-
Check in 50 minutes.
Alright. Well, you get there safe and look after yourselves, alright?
Yes, sir. Will do, sir.
Now get out of here.
Thank you, officers, sir.
Ben, Gold Coast Schoolies, we're here.
You hear that, Ben? We're almost there, mate, yeah. It's gonna be awesome, eh? Hey, Ben, all right?
What? Yeah? I've got a headache. Shit. I love you, man.
We love you too, bro. Just hang in there.
Dude, I don't think we can check him in yet.
Ben, are you okay, Ben? 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 Shit, this is bad. He needs help. Get him to a hospital.
I don't know. I'll just drop you off at the beach. I think you'll be able to get help quicker that way.
What? No, he needs help now.
I know, Dano. Just listen. The traffic's gonna take too long to get there. If I drop you off the beach, you'll be able to find a medic.
Fine, just sorry. Look, Ben, it's gonna be okay, mate. You're always there for me. Now I'm gonna be there for you, alright? You're gonna be okay. Help! Someone help! Help! Help!
somebody! Oh, please, somebody help! Anyone! Oh, oh, fuck! Oh, shit! Oh, oh, please, anybody!
Hey, are you okay?
No, my friend, he's overdosing on ecstasy.
Okay, where is he?
He's down to the beach,
Requesting ambulance. Suspected overdose.
Hey, come on, Ben, come on, please wake up. Come on, Ben, we're mates, yeah? Come on, best mates for life. Come on, Ben, I can't lose you too. Please wake up, man. Come on, please wake up.
I'll take over. It's gonna be all right. Can you tell me his name?